Did you learn that atoms, elements, symbols, atomic masses, etc.? Yeah? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, let me check. Minha, Adulya, Abin, Bastin, Dominic, Elsa, Shania. All of you, please switch on your camera. Okay, Gerlin.
Yes.
Symbol of copper.
See you.
Very good. See you. Okay, Minha, it's okay. Elsa, unmute. Symbol of sodium. Yeah? Elsa, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, Na.
Yeah, Na. Elsa, sorry, I can't hear you. That's why. Srihari,
Yes, ma'am.
symbol of zinc.
Zn.
Zn, very good. Adulya,
Yes, ma'am.
symbol of silver.
AG.
Ag, very good. Ashik,
Yes, ma'am.
symbol of magnesium.
In
Which one? M? Ashik, M? It's okay, Elsa. I read your message. Ashik? Okay, Revu?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the symbol of magnesium?
MG.
Mg, okay, okay. Lakshmi Nanda?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the atomic mass of hydrogen? Lakshmi, atomic mass of hydrogen. Where is Lakshmi? Okay, Gauri?
1.
Yeah, 1. Very good. Then
Ma'am.
Dominic? Yeah?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Lakshmi?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, is it 1?
Yeah. 1, right. Then Sowell?
Yes, ma'am.
Atomic mass of oxygen. Oxygen.
I'm 16.
Very good. 16. Amarin? I think she's connected. Okay. With Devasena? Devasena?
Ignore him, he will go.
Devasena? Amarin, can you hear me?
Shut up. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what's the symbol of chlorine?
CL. Coconut head.
Cl. Okay, okay. So today we are going to learn about atomicity. Okay? Atomicity. In the last class, I told you about the oxygen molecule, right? How many oxygen atoms combine together to form oxygen molecule? How many? Yeah, 2. 2 oxygen atoms, right? So it is a diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule. Di means 2, right? In this way, we can determine the atomicity of all elements. Okay, all elements. So before that, we are going to learn the definition for this atomicity. Okay. Wait. Yeah, atomicity. The number of atoms constituting a molecule is known as or is called its atomicity. The number of atoms constituting a molecule is called its atomicity. Clear? Number of atoms needed to form a molecule is known as its atomicity. Clear? There are certain elements, they are able to exist in free state. I told you in last class, right? There are only few elements, they are able to exist independently in free state. And the examples are argon and helium, right? They have only one atom. They do not form a molecule, or they do not join together with other atoms to form a molecule. They are monoatomic. What do you mean by monoatomic?
One.
Yeah,
Only
only
one
one atom present. Okay, and these type of elements are otherwise known as noble gases. Okay, noble gases. They are always in the right end of the periodic table. Okay, right end of the periodic table. There are a group of atoms, and they are known as noble gases. Because they are called noble gases because they always exist independently or free state. They do not take part in chemical reactions. Okay, they do not form compounds with other atoms, or they do not take part in chemical reaction. They always stay independently or exist in free state. Clear? Only one atom is present in their molecules too, because they are not joining with other atoms. And the examples argon, helium, etc. And the symbols Ar for argon, He for helium, He for helium. Clear? So first one, monoatomic. Clear? Is this clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the second one, second category, okay? Oxygen. That we already discussed, right? Two oxygen atoms combine together to form oxygen molecule, that is O2, and it is diatomic. It is diatomic. What do you mean by diatomic?
Two.
Yeah, two atoms combine together to form the molecule. In the case of hydrogen also, there are two hydrogen atoms, and it is also diatomic. H plus H, that is giving H2. Okay, clear? Then next one, phosphorus. Okay, in the case of phosphorus, how many phosphorus atoms combine together, Adulya?
4.
Yeah, 4. Very good. So 4 phosphorus atoms combine together to form the molecule. So it is known as tetraatomic. Okay, tetraatomic. Tetra means 4. Okay, tetra means 4. So it is tetraatomic. 4 phosphorus atoms combine together to form its molecule. It is tetraatomic. That is P4. Okay, P4. Then last one, sulfur. Sulfur. Anjali Priya. Yeah. How many sulfur atoms combine together to form its molecule?
8.
8. So it is polyatomic. Okay. Poly means many. Okay. Many. So here 8 atoms combine together to form its molecule. And the example is sulfur. Here 8 atoms of sulfur combine together to form its molecule. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Devu, please read the slide once again.
Atomicity. The number of atoms
Yeah.
constituting a molecule is called its atomicity.
Okay. Then
Ar-
examples. Yeah.
Argon, Ar monatomic. Noble gas constitute helium, He monatomic molecules.
Yeah.
Oxygen, O2 diatomic.
Okay.
Hydrogen, H2 diatomic.
Okay.
Phosphorus, tetratomic.
Okay.
Sulfur, escape, polyatomic.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Then we are going to learn the next topic, molecules of compounds. Okay. Molecules of compounds. We learned about molecules of elements, right? In the case of molecules of elements, atoms of same elements join together in definite proportions to form molecules of compounds. Okay? Atoms of same elements join together in definite proportions to form molecules. In the case of molecules of elements, atoms of same elements. Here, in the case of molecules of compounds, atoms of different elements join together in definite proportions to form molecules of compounds. Atoms of different elements join together in definite proportions to form molecules of compounds. Okay, in the case of molecules of elements, do you remember the example?
Argon, helium.
No, yeah, it's okay. Then
No,
what about
oxygen.
the molecule? Yeah, oxygen. O2. O2, right? Here, oxygen plus oxygen. Same element, right? The same element combined together to form its molecule. But here, atoms of different elements join together in definite proportions to form molecules of compounds. Okay? To form molecules of compounds. In the case of H2O, which are the elements combining in H2O?
Hydrogen,
Yeah,
oxygen.
hydrogen and oxygen. So there are different elements, right? Hydrogen and oxygen. Different elements combine together to form this H2O molecule. Then next example, ammonia. Okay, ammonia. This NH3. Ammonia. NH3. Lakshmi Nanda.
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the elements present in this ammonia?
Nitrogen and hydrogen.
Nitrogen and hydrogen. Okay, here also different elements combined together, right? Then another example, CO2, that is carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide. Arun,
Yes, ma'am.
which are the elements combined together in the carbon dioxide?
Carbon and oxygen.
Yeah, carbon and oxygen, right? So, here also different elements combined together. And it is in definite proportion. Okay, it is in definite proportion. That is, the amount of carbon and amount of oxygen combined together to form the molecule is fixed. Okay. In the case of water, it is 1:8. Hydrogen to oxygen, it is 1:8. That is the ratio. Then in the case of nitrogen and hydrogen, it is 14:3. It is 14:3. And in the case of carbon and oxygen, it is 3:8. It is 3:8. Okay? Clear? Revu, not Revu, wait. Abin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you repeat this slide once again?
Molecules of compounds. Atoms of different elements join together in definite proportions to form molecules of compounds.
Okay.
Table 3.4. Molecules of some compounds.
Yeah.
Compound. Combining elements, ratio by mass.
Okay.
Water, H2O.
Okay.
Hydrogen, oxygen.
Yeah.
Ratio by mass, 1:8.
Okay.
Ammonium,
Yeah.
NH3, nitrogen, hydrogen.
Hmm.
14:3.
Okay.
Carbon dioxide.
Hmm.
CO3.
Hmm.
Carbon
CO2.
oxygen.
CO2.
Sorry. CO2.
Hmm.
Carbon and oxygen. 3:8.
Hmm. Okay, fine. That's about the molecules of compounds. Okay, molecules of compounds. Then we are going to learn ions. Okay, ion. Did you heard about this term, ion? No?
Term have heard. We have heard the term.
Heard the term, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Here the compounds composed of metals and non-metals. Compounds composed of metals and non-metals. They contain charged species, okay? Compounds of metals and non-metals. They contain charged species. Compounds composed of metals and non-metals. They contain charged species. And these charged species are known as ions. Okay, this charged species are known as ions. Compounds composed of metals and non-metals. When a compound composed of a metal and non-metals, it contains charged species. These charged species are known as ions. Clear? And they are negatively or positively charged. These ions are negatively or positively charged. This negatively charged ion, it is known as anion. Negatively charged ion is known as anion. Then positively charged ion is known as cation. Negatively charged ion is known as anion. And positively charged ion is known as cation. Bastin, please unmute. Bastin, unmute. Melita. Melita. Dominic. Elna Rose.
Ma'am.
Yeah, read the slide once again.
Ion. Compounds composed of metals and non-metals contain charged species.
Yeah,
The charged species are known as ions.
yeah. Charged species are known as ions.
Negatively or positively charged.
Okay,
Negatively
negatively or
charged ion,
positively charged.
anion.
Yeah,
Negatively charged anion.
okay.
Positively charged ion, cation.
Cation. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, what do you mean by ion? Sean?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by ion?
Iron is the charged species.
Yeah, the charged species in a compound composed of metal and non-metal, that is known as ions. And positively charged ion, Lakshmi Nanda, Lakshmi, Dominic, Devasena, Jesslyn, Bastin, Elsa, Minha, Sovel, Shania, Ahlam, Fatima, Karthik, Anthony, Melita, Shania, all of you, please switch on your cameras.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Lakshmi Nanda, positively charged ion is known as
Cation.
cation. Very good. Then Minha. Minha.
Yes, ma'am.
Negatively charged ion is known as Yeah, Minha, negatively charged ion is known as? Ashik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, negatively charged ion is known as?
Eons.
Which one?
Eons.
No, that is ion, okay? Here, the negatively charged ion is known as anion, okay? Anion. Clear? Ions. They are charged species. Okay? Charged species. Then anion. That is negatively charged. Negatively charged. Then cation. Cation. It is positively charged. Clear? Ions, they are charged species, and the anion is negatively charged ion. Cation is positively charged ion. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I will show you an example for this ions. NaCl. Okay? Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. And Na. It's a symbol of which element?
And sodium
Sodium. And Cl?
chloride.
Chlorine. Okay, chlorine. Sodium chloride is the name of the compound. Okay. When we say the name of its elements, it is sodium and chlorine. Sodium chloride is the name of that compound. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Here, what's the definition for ion? When a compound composed of metals and non-metals contain charged species, right? Look at this compound. This is a compound that contain a metal, then a non-metal, metal and non-metal. Which is the metal here in the NaCl?
Sodium.
Sodium. And which is the non-metal?
Chlorine.
Chlorine. Right? Then here, a compound consists of metals and non-metals. They are charged species, right? So this Na, it is Na plus, and Cl, that is Cl minus. Clear? Na plus and Cl minus. Okay? Clear? Is this clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And this Na plus, it is the cation or anion? Positively charged ion?
Cation.
Cation. This Na plus is cation and Cl minus. It is
Anion.
anion. It is negatively charged ion is anion and positively charged ion is cation. Is this clear? I will repeat it once again. Ions, they are the charged species. Okay, charged species. When a compound consists of a metal and non-metal, they contain charged species, and this charged species is known as ions. Okay, then positively charged ion is known as cation, and the negatively charged ion is known as anion. Then when we look at this example, NaCl, Na plus, both are metal and non-metal. Okay, Na is a metal, Cl is a non-metal. and they have certain charges, Na plus and Cl minus. Na plus positively charged, so it is cation. Cl minus, it is negatively charged, it is anion. Clear? Is this clear for you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, that's about ions. Okay, and I will show you certain other examples for these ions. Okay, look at these examples. Sean, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute. Can you read this slide?
Ionic compound,
Yeah.
calcium oxide.
Okay.
How to read this?
Calcium and oxygen, then 5:2, right, like that. Okay.
Calcium and oxygen 5:2.
Okay.
Magnesium,
Sulfide.
sulfide, magnesium and sulfur 3:4.
Okay.
Sodium chloride, sodium and chloride,
Chlorine.
chlorine 23:35.
35.5. Okay, fine. So here calcium oxide, calcium and oxygen are the ions. Magnesium sulfide, magnesium and sulfur are the ions. Then sodium chloride, sodium and chlorine are the ions. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we learned about atomicity, right? Atomicity, that is the number of atoms. Elna, please, not Elna. Wait.
Hello.
Whose audio is unmuted? Okay, fine. So we learned about atomicity. Atomicity, the number of atoms constituting a molecule, it is called its atomicity. First one monoatomic, then diatomic, tetraatomic, polyatomic, etc. Then we learn molecules of compounds, that is atoms of different elements joined together in definite proportions to form molecules of compounds. Then ion. The compounds composed of metals and non-metals. It contains charged species. This charged species is known as ions. Then negatively or positively charged. Negatively charged ion is known as anion. Positively charged ion is known as cation. And the examples for these ions, in the case of calcium oxide, calcium and oxygen are the ions. Magnesium sulfide, magnesium and sulfur. Sodium chloride, sodium and chlorine. Okay. Then most of the metals, in the case of a compound, most of the metals have positive charge and non-metals have negative charge. Clear? In the case of a compound, it is consist of a metal and a non-metal, right? Metals have positive charge, that we write first. In a compound, that we write first, it is positively charged and it is a metal. And the second one, it is a non-metal and it is negatively charged. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So let me take your attendance. Abin Thompson,
Present, ma'am.
Akhlam Fatima,
Present, ma'am.
Alna Rose, Ananda Krishna, Anjali Priya,
Present, ma'am.
Anthony Maxi,
Present, ma'am.
Arun Bhaskar,
Present, ma'am.
Ashik Joshi,
Present, ma'am.
Adulya VS,
Present, ma'am.
Bastin,
Present, ma'am.
Devasena,
Present.
Dominic,
Present, ma'am.
Elsa Babu, Elsa Babu. Yeah, she's present. Amarin,
Present, ma'am.
Fagat, no. Gauri Nandana,
Present, ma'am.
Gautam, Gautam, no. Jerlin,
Present, ma'am.
Jaslin, Joel, Justin, Karthik, Kshetra,
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi Nanda,
Present, ma'am.
Melita, Minha,
Present, ma'am.
Devu,
Present, ma'am.
Sania,
Present, ma'am.
Shania,
Present, ma'am.
Sean,
Present.
Sovel,
Present, ma'am.
yeah, Melita, okay. Sovel, Sriram,
Ma'am, so present.
okay. Sriram, Srihari,
Ma'am.
Swati,
Present, ma'am.
okay, fine. So, please do study that name, symbols, and atomic mass for the next classes, okay?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
go through all tables. Okay, see you next class. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Bye
ma'am.
all.